Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's the Appliance Guru coming at you with another video. If you have a newer Samsung dishwasher like this one and it's not filling up with water, you go ahead and turn it on, you choose a cycle, press the start button, and it still doesn't fill up. This could be your issue. I'm going to take a video of the model number, pause it if you need to. You see behind this little sheet metal cover the black and two yellow wires. There's two yellow wires next to each other in the black one. If you run this test and the unit works okay, then this is going to be your problem. You're going to go ahead and jump the two yellow wires with the jumping wire. If you don't know what a jump wire is, go ahead and Google that. If you try to run the cycle with the jump wire in the two yellow cables and it runs and it fills with water and it runs okay, then your problem is you need a new wiring harness from Samsung. Do not leave the jumping wire in the two yellow connectors. You can cause a fire or you can melt the connector. Do not leave it in there and try to run it that way. Go ahead and click the link in bio and do a $5 super thanks. Message me after the $5 super thanks has been confirmed. I will